You have until you're going through the president. Sit here, my right. Let me introduce Honorable Watsi.
Nice to meet you.
Good
to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And this is
the advisor of the
position. Nice to meet you.
Can I speak Creole to you?
Oh, a little, yes. Because you know that Creole is similar, but not exactly the same.
I have become a friend in Haiti. And she came to work and she was understanding very well. Understood very well.
Dominica is not the Republic of Dominica.
Yes.
No, it's the Commonwealth of Dominica, which is in the Windward Islands. You know where St. Lucia, it's the four islands which were French. Dominica, St. Lucia, Guadeloupe and Montalique. Those two stay French. To be able to talk to the leader of the opposition, the Commonwealth has produced a plethora of best practice, good governance, materials, and it was nice to be able to share with the leader of the opposition all the things that the Commonwealth has been doing. The rule of law, best practice, is something for all our citizens to be able to share. So I referred to our new Commonwealth website, which is thecommonwealth.org, which is filled with masses of information about law, about what we're doing on climate change for children, for women, and it was good to be able to share that with the leader of the opposition.
Okay, is this your first time in Mauritius?
It is my very first time.
And how do you find Mauritius?
I love it. It is a most beautiful country, but the best thing I have found about Mauritius is the people. We would say in my Creole, c'est quand caille moi. It's like my own home.
Okay.
So that's pretty special for me.